Nearly 20 years ago, when we first started our t-shirt company, this was one of the very first t-shirt designs we started selling. And to date, we've sold well over $300,000 worth of this particular design. And that's the beauty of having your own t-shirt company. You come up with unique ideas and you sell them over and over and over again. And in this case here, nearly 20 years later, this is still a top seller. Now, if you remember the I Love New York t-shirt, now that was created back in 1977. Nearly 40 years later, it's still been sold to millions of people all over the world each and every year. So if you have some unique ideas, all you need to get started is a heat press machine just like this, a couple of ideas, and in 10 seconds, you can get your designs onto a shirt just like this. And I'm going to show you how this machine works. 10 seconds is all it takes. This design, Real Men Pray Every Day, was screen printed onto this paper. This is what we call a screen print transfer or plastisol transfer, and I'll get into detail about that in just a moment. But all you need is your ideas put onto this paper. And what we have here, the blank t-shirt and a heat press machine. This heats up to about, in this case here, I have it at 385 degrees. And what I'm going to do is lay this shirt, blank shirt, I'm going to lay it down here. And got something on it. And we're going to take this screen print transfer and we're going to lay it on top of the shirt. And as I said earlier, all you need, 10 seconds. 10 seconds from now, you're going to hear a beep. This business, man, is amazing. The t-shirt business has done a lot for my family. And this here is the beep that we're looking for. Remove it from the heat source. Peel the transfer paper away, and the design that was on here was transferred onto the shirt, thus the term screen printed or screen print transfer. And what we have is the design that was on that paper has now been put onto this shirt. And this is a screen print quality shirt. You can put it in the washing machine, wash it a few dozen times, and it's still going to hold up. So this is something literally you can start from your kitchen table, spare bedroom, garage, even a closet. And as I mentioned earlier, if you have some ideas, you can literally get started pretty quickly. So if you'd like to learn more about how this machine works, where you can find them at, how to get your design ideas onto the transfer paper and onto the shirt, scroll down below this video, leave your first name, leave your email address, and I'm going to email you a tutorial right away. My name is Cartes Ross, TshirtRiches.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day.